had the key on. I don't know how well you can hear it, but that's what the blower sounds like right now. Went and got my impact because it's shorter than the other one, so I can actually reach it down inside here. And now the trick is to actually get in here. Okay, got the little cover off. One more screw back here somewhere. Torx head one. They might all be Torx head, and yeah, they all were. Okay. Let's see if this one fits. See how the wire comes undone. See, got a clip right there. I think I just press in, yep, just like that. Alright. Well, obviously it's dirty. As far as I know, it's the original one. Bearings are definitely going bad in it. There's some noise there. Compare that to the new one. New one, I don't hear anything. The old one definitely has some bearing noises in it. So that's definitely the main issue. There's those 3 screws, there's that, those 2. Try to look up inside here and make sure there's nothing hitting the blower wheel or nothing. Alright, not sure what happened, but I stopped recording at some point. I got 2 of the screws in. I'm getting to the back screw here. And he's attempting to in. Well, we gotta get this on first. Okay. Doesn't want to work with the original plug. That's no good. It's supposed to be a replacement for this. Does it just not? Just not far enough over. I don't think the plug fits properly in this one. It's a very, very tight fit. Alright, well, let's see about doing that. See if it works. May not all be all the way in. The blower's working. It's a very, very, very tight fit. I think I'll just leave this cover off. Because why not? Okay. I'm going to start the car up. I think it sounds a little bit quieter than it was because the bearings aren't bad in this one. Make sure those are all the way in. It's already blowing nice and cold air. Feels so good right now. Okay, well, that's replacing the blower motor, the front blower motor in a Toyota Sequoia. And this is an SKP brand from Rock Auto. With shipping was about $45. The manufactured one was like $180 or $175 on that. So, going with this one. Alright, this is what it sounds like on high. That's the lowest setting. That's the highest setting. Definitely don't notice the little ticking noises I was hearing before.